Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your password on your Instagram account. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Instagram account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll need to tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page, and once you're on the profile page, you need to tap on the try bar icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, next interface will be able to see a menu page, and right at the bottom you have an option as settings, so then you have to tap on it. And as you tap on settings, you'll be directed to the settings page, and on this page you'll have to tap on privacy and security, which is on the third step. On this page you need to scroll down and then look for security. So on the security you have an option as password, so then you need to click on it. So finally, after that, you'll be directed to the page where you will be able to change your password. So before you change your password, you have to enter your current password, and then after that you need to type in your new password. And once again, in order to make sure, you need to type in once again. And once you're done, tap on save. And after you tap on save, if the provided information is correct, you'll be notified that you've changed your password, and that is how you can change your password on your Instagram account. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.